Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. In today's video, I wanted to share with you my favorite way to save money. This has been a method that I have just currently started doing to rebuild our short-term savings account. If you missed the video on why we currently need to rebuild our savings account, I will link it above. You can definitely watch that one. But today I wanted to talk about my absolute favorite way to save money and what I am currently doing that is helping us to build our savings account back up. So this is my planner. It is an 8.5 by 11 letter size planner. I am using the Notique cover. I did do a full flip through of what my planner looks like on the inside, and I always do an updated flip through every single month showing you the different things that I have in here. But I have currently added within my money section of my planner my bingo savings chart. So my bingo savings chart is a chart that I am currently using to save money on a daily basis. If you wanted to get your hands on this particular chart, I do offer it for free if you sign up for my mailing list. So I will leave the link for you to sign up for my mailing list if you wanted to get this chart. It comes as a PDF. As soon as you download it onto your computer, then you can print it out and add it wherever you would like. But this chart has 52 numbers on it, and all 52 of these numbers add up to $1,000. So how am I using it? Every single morning I flip open to this chart. I try and see if there is an amount on this chart that I am able to save for the day. So this is during the time where I am checking my bank balance. So I will go into my account, I will reconcile my transactions, and then I will check my bank balance for the day, look at any pending bills that I have coming up, and then I will try and look and see if there's any extra money that I can move over into my savings account. So the great thing about that is all of the numbers are really low. So if you look at this chart, the highest number on here is $60, but they also have a $0 amount just in case you wanted to skip a week. And the goal is to save all 52 numbers each and every week. So every single week you would save one of the amounts, and then by the end of 52 weeks you have $1,000. Well, I like to speed it up, and I like to try and see how quickly I can get to $1,000. So every single day I will come to this chart and see how many of these numbers I can save. So I'm going to check it right now, and I'm going to actually check my bank app and see how much I could possibly move over into my savings account. So of course it depends on how often you get paid, how many times you can do this. Because I get paid daily, because I'm an entrepreneur, I do like to check it every single day and see if I can move any amount over into my savings account. But if you get paid once a week, then you may want to do this once a week. If you have a side hustle that you are currently doing, then you may want to do it when you get paid from your side hustle. But the idea is to do it as often as possible to build back up your savings account. So when I'm looking at my bank account, I know I can save about $95. That is what I look like I'm going to be able to do. Based on the last deposit I got, I believe I can do around $90. So I'm going to add up these four numbers here to see how much this is, because I believe it will get me close to the amount that I want to save. And it's $91. So I'm gonna transfer $91 from my checking account over into my savings account. And after I make the transfer, the next step is to actually color in the amounts that I did. I just trace them, and I'm going to color them in. And I will usually use the exact same color for whatever day I have done it. So as you can see, I saved all four of these on one day. I saved all of the blue on another day, this pink on another day. So this just shows me how many days it takes me to get to the $1,000, since I'm trying to do it quicker than the 52 weeks. Because if I did it in 52 weeks, that would be in a year. But I'm trying to save more quickly because my goal is to have at least $2,500 back into that account before September, which is hurricane season in New Orleans, and I do want to be prepared for hurricane season. And so I have saved another $91 toward my goal. I have about 10 of these charts in here so that I am able to keep saving every single day, with my ultimate goal being 10,000 because I have 10 charts. And once I have completed all 10, I will have saved 10,000, which is a little bit more than where I started. This account started at about $8,000 and it got down to $180 after the home repairs. And now we are back up. We were at $491, but I just added another $91. So we are currently at $582. And this was at the beginning of this month that we had to spend so much money. It was on 5/7. So it was on 5/7 where we had to spend basically $4,600, which brought the account down to $180. But as you can see, 5/10, 5/16, 5/19, 5/21, I have been making deposits into this account to get it back up to $491. And now we just added another $91. And today is the 24th. And so that brings the balance up to $582. And so that's where I am now. So this is how I am keeping track of the overall balance. I'll keep it here. I write down the date, how much I deposited, and write down the balance here. And then I will also just highlight the colors as I need to on this chart here. And this has been my absolute favorite way to save because I'm just moving little amounts of money every single day. I just check my account, I move a little bit of money over, and I don't feel like I am really truly depriving myself of anything really big because it's just a little bit every single day. So if you want to get your hands on this chart, I will leave the link in my description box and in the first comment on this video so that you're able to sign up for the mailing list and get this download. But this has been my favorite thing to do, and I just punched holes in mine and just put it in my planner so that I have access to it whenever I need it. And I am just going to keep going and keep highlighting and do it as quickly as possible. Like I said, my goal is to have at least 3 of these sheets done by September. And so we're really on track because it's almost the end of the first month and we have a nice amount of money saved, being that I'm at $582 right now. So we're halfway over the mark to get back to $1,000. So I know that this video was a quick one, but I really wanted to talk about this chart because I absolutely love it. And when I posted it on Instagram, you all really wanted to know more about it. So I hope that this video has definitely helped you, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.